Yes, welcome to MojoCAD. So today's tutorial, I'll be making the blade. Yeah, that is the base blade for the silage stroke foliage making machine. Please, if you're new, consider subscribing. Yeah. So sorry about that. This is going to be a series of videos, and I'll start straight away. Select the top. And I make this 400 millimeters by 250. To 50 millimeters. Then I'll extrude it through 10 millimeters. Yeah, like that. Then I'm going to make some holes that are countersunk. I just come here and I select a corner rectangle, then I drag. Yeah, so this rectangle is measuring 350 by 165. Yeah, so having done this, next step is to give this guy some length, 60 millimeters. Then I'll give this one 28.8 2, like that. Yeah, so these are construction lines, so they don't have to be bold. So I've converted them to this kind of a line. Yeah, so the next step is to use a point and make points along these. Yeah, those are the locations for the holes, countersunk holes that I need to make. Yeah, so at this stage, next step is going to be using the hole wizard in features. Yeah, so first exit this, then I'll come to hole wizard. Then from hole wizard, I'll do, yeah, let me do advanced holes. No, actually, it's going to be the hole itself. Yeah, not advanced. So I'm going to give it some specifications, basically to suit what I need, and it's going to be asymmetric the way it is. Then here I'll use this very screw, the ANSI B 18.6, then 6, actually 7. Leave it at that. Then hole specifications, I'll leave it at M10 the way it is. Then normal fit, I'll leave it at that. Yeah, so just say okay. Then I'll come and select so these holes should come automatically after selecting the location of the plane, like that, then like that. So there are 6 holes, and I think that's what I wanted. Then you come and press this. Yeah, so they've been made automatically, and they are countersunk holes, you get. So it is so easy. Yeah, it is so easy. So I'll continue. next step is going to be trimming off some extra material. Actually, it just requires an extension here. So I'm going to extrude this part because I realized during my assembling this guy required some more meat. Convert that face, then I'll extrude it through 3 millimeters. Actually 20 millimeters, 300 millimeters. Oops, sorry, 30. Then merge. So here we are. And my next step is going to be cutting a piece of this, just to create that cutting effect. And how I did it, came here, I did sketch this guy, made this to be 60 degrees like that. Then extrude cut through all. So this is it. You can go ahead and select your material. Thank you for watching. Please keep around for the next video.